Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bacon avatar. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need some paper, perhaps a few sheets of white and red, along with markers or colored pencils to get those perfect bacon hues. Don't forget your trusty scissors for shaping and some glue or tape to hold everything together. For a more tactile experience, consider using craft foam or felt to give your avatar a bit of dimension. Now, let's design our bacon strips. On your paper or craft material, sketch out the iconic wavy, irregular shape of a cooked bacon strip. Remember to incorporate both the fatty white edges and the delicious reddish-brown lean meat. You can use a light brown for the cooked parts and a darker red for the leaner sections. Consider drawing about 3 to 5 strips, each approximately 4 to 6 inches long, to form the basis of your avatar's face. With your bacon strips cut out, it's time for assembly. Take your base material, perhaps a piece of cardstock, and begin arranging your bacon pieces. You can overlap them slightly to create a fuller look, forming a face or a unique character. Experiment with different layouts until you find the perfect expression for your bacon avatar. Once satisfied, use your glue or tape to firmly secure each strip in place, ensuring your creation holds together beautifully. To bring your bacon avatar to life, let's add some final touches. Use markers or small paper cutouts to give your avatar eyes, a mouth, or even tiny eyebrows. You could even add a small chef's hat or a tiny spatula for a humorous touch. Think about creating a simple background, perhaps a frying pan shape, to complete the scene. Your unique bacon avatar is now ready to be displayed. It's a fun, creative project that's sure to bring a smile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.